Trump threatened BRICS nations with 100 tariffs if they undermine dollar. Warning against pushing alternatives to reserve currency is latest threat from incoming president. US President-elect Donald Trump on Saturday threatened tariff of 100% against the so-called BRICS countries unless their government agreed not to create a new currency as an alternative to the US dollar. The idea that the BRICS countries are trying to move away from the dollar while we stand by and watch is over, Trump wrote in a post to his Truth Social platform on Saturday afternoon. The group is made up primarily of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, but has recently expanded to include Iran, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Argentina, Egypt, and Ethiopia. Although the US dollar is the most used currency in global business and trade, BRICS nations such as Russia and China have called for the bloc to challenge the dollar status as the world reserve currency. A proposal for a BRICS currency was introduced at last year's summit in South Africa. We require commitment from these countries that they will neither create a new BRICS currency nor back any other currency to replace the mighty US dollar, or they will face 100% tariff and should expect to say goodbye to selling into the wonderful US economy, Trump wrote on Saturday. In October, Russian President Vladimir Putin accused Western power of weaponizing the dollar, arguing at a BRICS summit in Kazan that sanctions against Russia since its invasion of Ukraine undermine the trust in this currency and diminish its powers. The threat of steep tariffs against U.S. imports from the countries follows similar threat made to Mexico, Canada, and China earlier this week, as Trump signaled that he intends to use punitive measures to force U.S. trading partners to comply with his demands. Trump said he would impose tariff of 25% on all imports from Canada and Mexico, and an extra 10% on Chinese goods, accusing the countries of permitting illegal migration and drug trafficking. Those threats raised the possibility of countermeasures from Mexico and prompted a hurried visit to Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence by Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau on Friday evening. Trump won a convincing electoral victory earlier this month after campaigning on a pledge to issue sweeping tariffs on foreign goods imported to the US, including an extra 60% on Chinese goods.